So the day has finally come for me to take down these passion twists. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss them so much. As you can see, they have some lovely crust on my edges from sleeking them back so much. I was able to wear this style for about 3 weeks. Now it is extraordinarily frizzy and matted. I would not recommend the type of hair I used to do this twist, honestly, because I feel like it matted too quickly and it frizzed really bad. My hair is already starting to come out of the twist and curl up all on their own. It's time to take them down. But this is what I look like, and I adored it, and I'm gonna miss it so much. So this is what my hair looks like all around. Some of them you can already see the hair is starting to separate from the twists and just become frizzy and matte into the extra hair I added in. So for this, you're going to be needing a co-wash, any co-wash of your choice just to help in the detangling of your hair, scissors, a detangling brush, I chose my Cosmology brush, and some type of scalp oil. I'm using Texture by Cantu oil, as well as a rat tail comb. Before taking down these twists, I made sure I took out all of my lovely charms that I absolutely adored. I think it made my look so fun and just me, honestly. I had so many different types of charms, it was actually becoming too much. I had to take some out because I was overwhelmed by how many charms I had. So once all the charms were finally removed from my hair, I started to gauge where my natural hair was inside of the twist. That way I could cut a little bit below that. Since my hair is different lengths all around my head, I actually did this for every single twist I had right before I snipped off that extra hair and began detangling. Before I started doing all this, I decided to coat my hair and my ends and my scalp. Once I located where my hair was, it was pretty easy. From there, I just ended up cutting off the excess hair and just untwisting my natural hair from the passion twist hair. Since I did the crochet method for this passion twist, I was able to just pull the hair straight out from the rubber band and begin detangling. Once I got really close to the scalp, as you can see, my scalp is dirty. It has so much buildups and flakes. I am so happy to be washing this out. Once I got to the rubber band, I was able to use a rat tail comb to pull the rubber band up a little bit. That way I could pop the rubber band or cut it, whatever you choose to do, and get rid of all of that and remove it from my hair. Once I got the rubber band out, it was pretty smooth sailing from there. My hair easily detached from the passion twist hair, and I was able to just pull it right out and start detangling with the co-wash that I'm using with my Cosmology brush. Once my hair was adequately detangled, I decided to put some of it into mini twists. That way it wouldn't accidentally get stuck in the rest of my hair. As I was taking down the rest of the passion twists. This entire process took me about 5 hours to take them all out of my entire head, so I essentially lost like half of my day, and I could slowly see the sun going down. And this doesn't even include me washing my hair and styling it after this. So yeah, this was like a whole day. So yeah, this is like a whole day adventure for me. I ended up pretty much doing this entire process from taking it down to washing it to styling it. Has to be about 10 hours. Recommendations I have for anyone who plans on getting passion twists or taking out their passion twist is to make sure you have enough time to do so. Also, make sure that you do not wet your hair before you take out your passion twist. It's just going to make your hair easily breakable, and you'll end up losing more hair than you initially wanted to or you initially had to, in all honesty. I'm happy that I washed my hair in the twist because I was able to further detangle in the shower section by section. That way I was able to make sure that my entire head was detangled. And once you're done, I highly suggest following up with your favorite deep conditioner because your hair has literally been in a style for about, I don't know, a month or two. I don't know how long you kept it in style for. But anyway, your hair is probably going to want a lot of moisture, and I highly suggest putting it into a gentler protective style once you're done, like a, I don't know, regular twists or a twist out, or maybe even some chunk braids, just to give your scalp a little bit of rest. Once I got to the halfway mark, I was so surprised to see how short my hair was in comparison to the passion twist. It was really unnerving in a way, as I was looking at half and half, but so far so good. It was a process to get all this passion twist hair out, but I did it still. At the end of the day, I didn't end up losing a lot of hair. I had my rat tail comb for some of it once my cosmology fell down and I was far too lazy to go back and get it. Me still being grossed out by how much hair is shedding out of my head. But anyway, for about half my hair, I didn't lose that much in all honesty. And once all of the passion twist hair was out, it was freedom. My hair was in these cute little twists, and that's how I ended up washing my hair ultimately. And I really liked having passion twists, but the process of putting it in and taking it out is really just like an all-day process each and every time. Once I was done, I had like this bundle of hair, enough to make another animal, and it was so much, it was just so funny to me, honestly. Anyway, I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. This took me at least, what, start to finish, 10 hours. So please show your girl some love. Bye!